Myself, Master Gaurav Chadda, and I am just trying to present a little bit part of nature creation of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, the Lord of this whole universe, and I hope you people will like it. I'm trying my best to show you the real nature. I'm taking everything that is in front of me. You see, this is the view of the village, fields of village. See the nature with a close zoom. See each and everything minutely. Observe the nature, what it wants to say. See the fields covered with greenery, having yellow color, white color, and also having pink color. See the pink color. Now it is looking little bit purple also. It's so beautiful. See the yellow color. I'm now going to show you the white color. Is it white with a combination of yellow? See, this is what the nature is. This is what the gift that Bhagwan Baba has given to us. But we are nowadays destroying this everything. See the color of the soil. This is the nature. So please, my dear friends, conserve the nature and natural resources also. I am taking this whole video with my mobile phone Nokia 7230. It is having 3.2 megapixel camera, so clarity is not so much. So I am really very sorry, so that I'm not able to provide you the full-fledged clarity that you people want to see. But for the time being, it's alright. I think so. Okay. Now I think it is sufficient for today, for now. So I will try to present something new, belonging to nature, soon. But since my exams are approaching, so I will not be able to present to you the view of nature until May, because my exams will be over in May, and after May I will continue this session if Bhagwan Baba wants this to be continued. And today is the uh, occasion named Holi, and also today is Women's Day. So I am trying to show you the nature. So people, please enjoy. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, then click on the like button available to you. So once again, myself, I'm going to introduce myself again and again. Hmm? Okay, myself, Master Gaurav Chedda. I would like to thank you from the entire depth of my heart. Uh, if you want to contact me, then you can email me. My email address is mail to gani at the rate of gmail.com. I'm going to spell my email address now. mailtogUnny, mail to gani at the rate of gmail.com. If you want my contact number, you want to talk with me, then you can mail me at the address that is given to you by me some time before. What else I should say, is Om Shri Sai Ram. Have a nice time ahead.